Not yet. No, I mean, at least you can see the blank screen organizer Jahid Khan this written, right? See now Dynamics 365. Can you see that? Okay. Okay. So today our second day. So again, initially I will discuss some out of box features, and then after that we'll start with the sales module. Okay, so we'll talk about dashboard, we'll talk about lead management, we will see leads view, we will see all of them. These are the practical part. So dashboard we will see lead management, we will see entity search, we will see global search, and then we'll go through these leads. Okay, so this is all about leads. So I will try to explain. This is all about business. Okay, so this is business. So it's not. If you have understanding of business, then you will understand quickly. If you don't have any knowledge about business, any general business, okay, it will help you because CRM is nothing but a business, isn't it? So let's see. Okay, so what are the out of box features? What does it mean, out of box features? Out of box features means what is when you open a box and what is already in it, right? So in CRM, what functionalities a dynamic CRM has. So that is called out of box features, means what functionalities Dynamics 365 already has. So following at the high level out of box features. So it is a massive application, but definitely it's not possible to finish in one page or a half page to talk about what are the functionalities a CRM has. But we can discuss some high level one. High level means the top level, some introductory features. Okay, but you can further go into depth. Okay, so that is called high level. So what are the functionalities it has multiple deployment options, means online, on-premise, and hosted. These features we have discussed last week. Multiple deployment options means that how different ways a client or a customer can have Microsoft Dynamics CRM in their office. So they can access online. I explained all of this, but I'm just repeating again. Online means they don't have to have a server, so they can access directly online CRM, and the CRM would be stored database, because every time any client buys a CRM, they have to have two server. One is CRM server, another one is database server. Any information they want to store, those will be stored in a database, and CRM related information will be in the CRM database. I mean the features. So when they buy any online CRM, so the database, CRM database, and SQL database, both of them will be stored in Microsoft. So they will deal with any issue the customer has with the CRM. On premise means when customer buys CRM with the server itself. Okay, SQL server as well as CRM server. So they buy everything as a package, and they store the server, both of the server in their office server. Okay, so they can update it, they can change it, they play around with it, and they do whatever they want. Okay, so that's the advantages. Hosted means you don't give Microsoft to host it, you don't host yourself, you host to a partner organization. Okay, so who can help you to sort it out. So that is the hosted. The second feature is multiple client supports, such as web, Outlook, mobile, tablet. Multiple client support means you can access Microsoft CRM, Dynamics CRM from web. Okay, you have to have a internet. Uh, Outlook, from Outlook also you can, Microsoft Outlook, you can access CRM even when Outlook is even offline. You can even access that. When it is online, definitely you can have access, and also you can access CRM from mobile or tablet as well. So all these different types of client support, multiple, so Microsoft Dynamics CRM provides. Reach product develop platform capabilities. Reach product develop platform capabilities means, in shortcut we call it XRM, extended, okay, relationship management. Means that CRM is a out of it's an application. It has basic standard systems already, as I've shown you last time. I can show you again that you can see here sales, right? We have service module, we have marketing module, we have field service module, project service module, resource scheduling module, settings module, and so on and so forth, right? So all of these out of box features, and then under each module we have separate sections. So what we are saying here is that uh, these out of box features, you can extend them, you can customize them, you can develop them as your business requires. So that is called extend the functionalities of CRM. You can extend it, whatever you have you can use it, even you can add more. Okay, so you can add more functionalities to CRM, and that is why you are becoming, you are trying to become a developer. So your job responsibility will be not the your job responsibility would be not to play around with the existing functionalities, but your job responsibility would be to extend the functionalities of dynamic CRM by in order to meet the business requirements of future customers. Okay, so this is what is called a CRM developer. So you will, rather than, you will not play around what they have already, you will play around what you can extend, how much you can extend a CRM functionalities. Okay, you can do a lot. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so that's the main advantages of dynamic CRM. And obviously from business point of view it is cheaper than any other CRM, so that's why it is becoming popular. Okay, next one is packaging, versioning, deployment support for your customization and extension. Packaging, versioning, deployment support for your customization and extension. So all of this can be supported by Microsoft. So in order to packaging means, if you have so many extending options, you have customized, you have so many created solutions. I will discuss what is solutions. So different entities you have created. What is entity? I will talk about this. Different version of CRM. So all of these deployment support means these deployment options. So all of these for your customization and for your extension, okay, can be supported by Microsoft. And you will deploy, you will manage the version, you will package it. Okay, but Microsoft is there to help you out. Business entities to handle sales, marketing, and service process. Now what does it mean? First of all, this is the question, that what does it mean, these sales, what does it mean, service, what does it mean, marketing? These are nothing but entities. Entities is nothing but in SQL a table. Okay, so each one table. Okay, so in each table means one entity, and it has so many fields or attributes. Okay, same is in SQL Server. So what we are saying here, that business entities to handle sales, marketing. So in our dynamic CRM, as I said, there are different types of CRM, right? We discussed last week. There Microsoft has different types of CRM. One is AX, then GP, Microsoft GP, Microsoft AX, Microsoft nav, right? Then we have Microsoft Dynamic CRM. So all these CRMs provides different types of functionalities. In our case, Dynamic CRM provides sales, marketing, and service functionalities. Okay. In addition to that, you can add whatever you want, but this is the basic already you have out of box features. Okay. So Microsoft Dynamics CRM has out of box features are mainly sales, marketing, and service. So anybody is interested, any organization who are interested, every organization is interested, truly speaking. So if they're interested in sales, they have to buy this. If they're interested in marketing, this is the main out of box features are already there. If they're interested to provide customer service, this is the one they can buy. So this is basically, all of these are nothing but entity. Each of them, one entity, sales is one entity, marketing another entity, service in another entity. Okay. Now within these three entities, okay, I mean, these are not entities, sorry, these are not entities, these are modules. But entities are there in each module. We have so many entities. Let me show you what are the types of entities we can have. Sorry, these are the modules. Why I'm saying entities. So, yeah. So, if I go to, say, example, if I open Dynamics CRM, right? So, you go to sales, you click here, you click down, and then you will see all these modules. Then you go to, you click settings, and after click setting you can go to customization, and customization, after that you click customize the system, and you see here, in here on your left hand side you see here components, okay, components, and you can see here entities. So if you go here, if you click this, if you click this arrow here, at the moment it is in collapsed option, but if you click that it will be uncollapsed, okay. So all of these entities, right, can you see? So entities, and then all of them: account, account project, activity, actual, draft, export, address, agreement. These are entities. Booking, alert, booking status, business unit, campaign, right? All of these entities. There are so many entities. Can you see how many? That many entities it has. Okay, by out of box. Out of box already that many entities are there, and they are, all of them are usable. Okay, so if it is a small organization, you don't have to do that much customization or configuration or develop a CRM. It's almost everything is already there. But if you work a bigger, or if you work bigger organization, or if you work to provide a CRM for a bigger organization, then you have to create these entities. You can create entities, you can delete entities, you can update entities. So everything is customizable in this CRM. Everything is custom. Whatever you see here, customize the system, solution, themes, publisher, or even if you go back, here, go back to sales, right? So all of this name can be changed as well. You can remove all of them. You can have different modules. Okay, it is the responsibility of a developer to do all of this, and this is called customization and configuration of dynamic CRM. And when you talk about development of dynamic CRM, that means that you want to extend the functionalities of CRM. But when we talk about customization and configuration, then that is to do with internal. Already what they have, you are just changing a little bit and you are configuring according to client requirement. Okay. But when you talk about developer, CRM developer, it means they are there to extend the functionalities of dynamic CRM. Okay, so the business entities are there in sales, business entities are there in marketing, business entities are there in service process. We will see all of these entities, okay, so in future days, and we will talk about them. Then next thing is capturing interaction with client using activities, email, phone call, custom. Capturing interaction with client using activities. So when you will work today, we will work on sales module. Okay, we will see, it will not be finished today. This is a big one, but we will start today with the sales module. Now in sales module you will see some interaction. So say example, when you want to sell something from your organization, you need to communicate with a customer, right? You need to speak to a customer, you need to call them, you need to email them, right? So how these are called interactions. So how these will be stored? All of these you can store in CRM. And last time I also showed you. So if I go to sales, right, and if you go to say example leads, I will tell you what is lead. Okay, we'll talk about today. Say example, sorry. So say example, this is a this is one of the lead. I will explain what is lead. Say example, we are talking about phone call, email, right, or any other task. So this is here. If you go to activities, okay, in any entity, you go to activities, you click there, and you can see all of them. Okay, so example, add phone call, add task, and then also you have email, appointment, approval, booking alert. These are activities what you are doing with that particular customer. So example here is the customer is Gabriel Kanata, right? But if you go to activities, then and if you add something here, say example if you want to add a phone call activities, okay, so you can see here that I've clicked add a phone call. So I have called this customer, but I couldn't I couldn't talk to her. So I will say, okay, the activities what I've done with this customer is I have made a phone call, right, but could not reach her. Okay, so I've just made a note. Okay, I've just made a note for future reference, because in the next day or maybe you are sick and then somebody else is taking responsibility to call this customer or to communicate with this customer. So they will come to this customer's page. This is the customer page. They will come to this page and they will find that, okay, you already contacted her yesterday, so there is no point of contacting again today. So this is how it works. So all the activities can be stored using these activities, okay. And then due, if you want to say example, if you want to communicate in future, you can write, okay, I need to make a phone call after 10 days, and then due, you put a date here, okay, you put a date here when you are supposed to call her. And then call with, okay, so this is the customer's name. And then direction, okay, direction outgoing means you will call them, okay. So example, if this customer called you over the phone, then you can make a note as well, then you can put it ingoing, okay, incoming. Now it is outgoing because you will be calling, or you have called. So direction can be changed, and click OK, and it is saved, right? So now you can see here, now without just simply you see here one activity is already there. This activity is, the symbol is there, is phone call, and this arrow means outgoing phone call. And you said here, I have made a phone call but could not reach her, and completed by who wrote this notification or message? By TK. Now who is TK? TK is the user, okay, who is using, or who has used last time Gabriel Kanata, who has opened Gabriel Kanata last time. Now in our case, who is TK? TK is the administrator who has basically, can you see, this is a person here, right? This is, you can add a picture here as well, okay. So this is the basically login, who logged in to CRM. So I have logged in, and my username, my name I have put as TK, okay. So that is why it is showing TK here. If you log in, then your name will be there, okay. So this is how basically automatically, these are automatic function by CRM. So this is one of the activities. So this is what we are saying here, capturing interaction with the client using activities, email, phone call, right? Any other custom activities also you can create, okay. So that can be done. User and security management, and also in your organization, say example, um, you have a organization, okay, and you have 20 people in your organization who are at different level of the organization. Say example, you have 20 people, 5 of them are managers, 5 of them are sales people, 5 of them are marketing people, 5 of them are admin people, right? Okay, now not all of them need to see the same thing in the CRM, isn't it? Because you are manager, for example, you are the owner. Now you can have access to every part of the CRM, but not the admin people do not need to have every part of the CRM, do not need to have access. Now salespeople, they don't may not need to access marketing part of the CRM. So this is the way basically different people of the organization, you can divide them, and you can break the CRM into different in a way that not everybody will be able to see everything. Okay, so basically you can put a some firewall, okay. So that is called user and security management. So you can provide, okay, you will be able to see only this part, you will be able to see only that part. Say example, at LSBM you have access to you had access to Moodle, right? We used Moodle. Now in Moodle, uh, as a student, what you could do, you could only do what you could only do, you could only see the materials. You could not do any customization of that Moodle, right? But as a lecturer, they could customize. And more on top of that, the administrator, Moodle administrator, they could do more than teachers. They could delete users. Okay, they could delete one user like you, one student. They could delete. Okay, they could delete one of the teachers from as a user. Okay, they could delete. But as a student or as a lecturer, you could not delete anybody. See, so these are the type of functionalities you can add to different users, and that is called security management within the CRM. So you will give access to different part of the CRM, that is called user management and security management. Business automation tools, workflows, dialogues, actions, business process flow. Now there are different automated tools are there. Okay, this is very interesting, and that is part of development part. Okay, this is part of development, which we will do, we will work on them, but not now, because the main the way we need to work out, or we need to teach CRM is, first of all, I need to teach you the functionalities, existing functionalities, what a CRM, Microsoft Dynamics CRM has. Then we will talk about what we can do with them, and then we will talk about how can we extend them. So there are three parts. One is you need to know first what functionalities they have already as out of box. Then second thing is what you can do with them, or in other word also it is called customization and configuration of those existing functionalities. And the third part is how you can extend them, so which is the development part. So all of this into, so these are the three parts. So I need to move from one part to another. In this way will work. Okay, so currently what I'm doing, currently I will be letting you know what are the existing functionalities it has. Then we will move to, after few classes we will move to customization and configuration. Then we will move to development part. Okay, so this is how it will be done. Then rich data management support, import, export, duplicate check, bulk delete. So this is important, this is very good, and very popular, these functionalities. This is nothing but functionality. So you can import a Word document in the CRM, you can import Excel document, you can export chart from CRM, you can export say example, in a table of a CRM, you can export it in Excel format or in any other format. You can duplicate check. Say example, you have, say example, 1000 members, you have customers, say example Tesco, Sainsbury's, they have millions of customers, right? But how do you check that you did not enter duplicate name, duplicate information, or duplicate customers in the same CRM? So these are the things can be checked. So if you set a duplicate rule, then with the same name you cannot create a second customer. With the same email you cannot create a second customer. With the same phone number, with the same date of birth, you cannot create another one. So something like duplicate check, this is called duplicate check. So this functionalities CRM has. Bulk delete, say example, you have 1000 customers, and out of 1000 customers you want to delete, say example 10 customers or 20 customers, they have left Sainsbury's or Tesco, so you want to delete them, but you should not delete one by one, it will take time, right? So that is why it's called bulk delete. So you just select bulk delete and choose tick the boxes. Okay, what are the which customers you want to delete, and then and click on bulk delete button, and those contacts will be deleted fully together. Integration support, now this is development part as well. So you can integrate your CRM with some other CRM. Okay, that is called web service. These are the technical word, web service and SDK APIs. So using these things you can actually connect your CRM to any other CRM. Okay, so that is the integration support. Reporting features, multiple reports available for all modules. So there are so many report, say example manager, they want to see report. So there in CRM you can create report automatically. You just need to know the functionalities, how it works, how to develop a report. You just click, few clicks, and the report is ready. Okay, so this report functionalities is there. Different types of reports are available for all the modules. Okay, for all sales, marketing, service, all the modules are there. Rich BI support, dashboard and charts. BI means business intelligence. Now for business intelligence, what you need? You need some dashboard. Dashboard. What does a dashboard mean? Dashboard is nothing but chart. Okay. So let's see what does it mean dashboard. So example here, we are in sales, and in sales, if I go to sales, right, this is sales. So under sales you can see dashboard, accounts, activities, leads, quotes, etc, etc. So if I just click here dashboard, so you will be able to see that by default dashboard what is already is created by Microsoft CRM. So example here we can see sales activity dashboard. Now one thing I have to tell you, that in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, when you because the one we are using, it is a free trial version. Okay, now in free trial version, Microsoft, they already they have put some data, okay, to play around. Okay, say example we didn't add this data. Say example here name Alex, Allison, Brian, Cat, Francis, Kathan, Counts, Darren Parker, David. Where from these name are coming from? These are nothing but false names. Okay, and these are nothing but false data or chart. These chart are created from these contacts. Okay, these are leads or contacts. So so something is already there. Okay, by default. Why? Because if nothing is there, if the CRM is empty, you would not know how the functionalities work. So they have already put something in order to play around. Okay, in order for you to understand how it works. So in our case, so we can see dashboard. So this is called sales dashboard here. Dashboard is nothing but chart. You can see this is one type of chart, this is another type of chart, this is another type of chart, right? So dashboard is nothing but chart. So let's see what we have in this in this dashboard. We have open opportunities. Now what is opportunity? Opportunity is nothing but there is a module, there is a under sales module, you see here leads, opportunity, competitors. We will go through this. We will talk about leads today. Opportunities we will talk about next week. But opportunity is nothing but something new. Say example, in shortcut, let me explain leads, opportunity, and competitors. Lead is nothing but anybody has contacted your company. Say example, you have a shop, a small shop, grocery shop, and few people came into your shop, but they didn't buy anything. They just looked around and they left. Okay, they said, okay, we may come back, we may not come back. There are always some customers like that. So they come, they will look around, they will check the price, they will check the product, but they will not buy anything. They may buy, but not that day. They may come later on, they can buy. They may not come at all, right? So those kind of customers, we call them leads. Leads are nothing but future customer. Okay, now when a future customer, he or she comes next time and buys something, that time he becomes a customer. Okay, so that is why in CRM we call them, initially we call them future customer, we call them leads, and when they buy something, so we call them opportunities. No, not really. I will explain. So, for example, initially they become leads. Okay, they see. So let me explain further in different way. Leads. So everybody who comes to your shop, whether they buy or not buy, they become leads. Now, what is opportunity? Is in between a visitor and a customer, something in the middle. What does it mean? So I have come to your shop, I didn't buy anything, I looked around, so I left, so I was a lead. But when I was a lead, and then after few days I have come again, and then I told you, okay, can I buy, I want to buy from you for £1,000 product, but I will not buy today anything, but I'm telling you, I liked your office, I liked your product, and I will spend around £1,000 in your company, and I will buy £1,000 product, but I will come next month. So some kind of conversation is there, that is called opportunity. So that lead, when that person came first time, he was lead. Second time he talked to you, and you as a seller, you found that this customer can buy something in future, and there is an opportunity, that is called opportunity. So opportunity of selling. And competitors, so competitor is totally different elements. Competitor is simple is that competitors, you have an organization and somebody, yeah, there is another one, and they are doing the same thing as you are doing, so you want to capture their information, and that is called competitors. Okay, now let's go back to our lecture, which is so dashboard. No, what we are discussing is so many things that even we lose the concentration from where to go. Okay, so we are talking about this dashboard. So you can see here that some uh, false opportunities. Opportunities example 24,024,700 £1 410 pound opportunities there, then 30 million 22 million, etc., etc. Now what does it mean? This is big box, this is small, and then further, so different colors are there. So develop means this color is developing. There are some opportunities with that amount of money can be bought or sold. Okay, so this is in develop, so it is in ongoing. Propose, so that amount of money, so this color, so this second one, that amount of money already people proposed to you to buy items from you. So this is, all of them are opportunities. So you see here, open opportunities, all of them are opportunities, but different stage of opportunities. Something is already proposed, something is in development opportunity, something is qualified means they already signed the contract with you. Okay, so that is called qualify. So qualify means that 30,553,605 already are qualified opportunities. And the last thing is closed, that something was their opportunity but they did not buy anything, they left. So this is very little amount, but this is the yellow part, that is called close opportunity. So this is what is called opportunity. Okay, so this is dashboard, and you can see here goal progress money wise. Okay, so you have quarterly, okay, different quarterly goal for quarter one, goal for quarter two. We will develop, when we will develop this dashboard, you will see that what does it mean, each of them separately. But just now, as a general introduction, okay, you see that this is different charts are available here. This one is another chart, sales dashboard, own opportunities. Okay, so development, then you have here propose, then you have qualify. Okay, so after this qualified, okay, is in another way we call them own opportunities. So own opportunities, David, so this is one company, they will buy from you 326,000 pound. Spencer, low, this is another company, they are buying from you this amount, etc., etc. So in total you have sum of 50 million pound actual revenue what they will be buying from you. So this is the own opportunities, they haven't bought but they are going to buy. Okay, confirmed. Okay, these are confirmed opportunity, and these are the owners, different customers. Okay, so this something like that. So this is what is called dashboard, chart dashboard, right? So dashboard and charts are available. Okay, automatic, you don't need to create separately, just need to click and they are ready. Integration with Outlook, SharePoint, EMR, Exchange, social media, Link, Skype, all of these are available. With CRM, you can connect them directly, and all of them, remember why Dynamic CRM is very popular, because all of them are Microsoft. Okay, Outlook is Microsoft, SharePoint is Microsoft, EMR is Microsoft, Exchange Server is Microsoft, social media. There are some Microsoft social medias there, Link, Skype. These are all Microsoft. So if you want, if you use the all of these already, then it is easier for you to use Microsoft CRM because they are all already linked with them. And highly extendable means that as a developer you can extend as much as you can, extend the functionalities of CRM as much as you can. So that is called highly extendable. So yeah, so far we have discussed some basic high level out of box features of Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So any question until now? So feeling interest? Okay. Pardon? Yeah, you will find more interest. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. No, we are going to start from today. So this is now I'm going to start. So the first thing we will see in the CRM is the sales module. Now in the sales module, we just discussed dashboard. Okay, but dashboard I'm just giving you introduction, but we will play around with them later on. We will have a separate day for dashboard. We'll talk about mainly today lead management. Now what is lead management? What is lead? Okay, the in general introduction I've told you, lead is nothing but whoever comes to your shop and they didn't buy anything. Okay, so they are lead. So but now lead can be, but say example, lead can be anywhere. Say example, it's not only that who came to your shop, but also you did, say example, as an organization you did some campaign, business campaign. Okay, say example, LSBM. LSBM is a very good example, I can use it. LSBM, what they do, they do marketing for their college, right? Now what type of marketing they do? They do marketing for their course. Okay, so what they do, they go to different places. Okay, let me show you. So they go to different places of UK, right? So they go to different cities of UK, and they have a table there, right? They have a table there, and then they talk to the students, and they offer, okay, we have this course, this course, this course, and if you want to join next summer, or if you want to join next winter, okay, these are the course and these are the price. So this is called marketing campaign. So when you go somewhere out, when you go somewhere out and do something for your business, that is called campaign, marketing campaign. Okay, so you have done several marketing, and a marketing campaign can be online, marketing campaign can be by email, marketing campaign can be over the phone, marketing campaign can be physically, right? So and so many ways. So whatever the campaign you have done and somebody has come to your campaign or talk to you and showed some interest, so they are lead. Okay, so they are lead. Right, so okay, they are leads. Now let's have a look now. So let me show you in here. So if you go to sales, then if you say, see here, you have my work, customer, sales, collateral, marketing, goals, tools. So you have a leads here, so you click leads, and as I said that there are some there are some data already there. Okay, by who? By Microsoft. They already put some data in order to play around. So we can see here that there are two leads are there, Gabriel Kanata and Tamar Salah. Okay, these are two people. Okay, so leads are always people, person, isn't it? We are dealing with a people here. So these are the customers name. They shown some interest, so that is why as a organization you have entered their name into leads. Now what does it mean, my open leads? My open leads, who is my, who we were talking about? My is nothing but TK. who, say example, if you log in, so you will be Ruthira. So when you log in, then your open leads will appear. Say example, in an organization, you have 5 marketing people, right? Sales people or marketing people. Okay. Now sales people, let's say, because we are dealing with sales. So sales people, 5 sales people. Everybody has got access to CRM. Now when Ruthira, you are accessing, you are, hello, somebody, yeah, hello, Julanta, how are you? Oh, okay. Yeah, 1 hour change, isn't it? Okay, okay. No, 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 that no, 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 that's fine. It happens. We actually just started to play around with CRM, but but before that, we just discussed some out of box functionalities, means what a CRM can do. So at the end of the session, I will just quickly go through for you. But just now, you can just follow us. Okay, so what we are doing, we yeah, so you just need to follow us now, but at the end of the lesson, I will quickly go through what we have discussed before you. So if you open your CRM, you log into CRM, okay, then you go to sales, you click here, you go to leads, okay, you click leads, and you will see some leads are already there, and these leads are from Microsoft. They have put some data here already to play around. So so that is why some 2 people are there already. Now I was talking about my open leads. My open leads means I have logged in as a TK. TK is my username. So so TK, so when I have logged in, so it is showing you my open leads. When you will log in, Jolanta will log in, Jolanta will see her open leads. When Ruthira will log in, Ruthira will see his open leads. So all of these leads are different. Why? Because my open leads means, say example, Ruthira is one salesperson, uh, Jolanta is one salesperson in the same organization, but Ruthira went to Cardiff for a marketing campaign, and Jolanta went to Central London for a marketing campaign for your products, for your organization. Okay, now Jolanta has found 5 people interested in their products. Ruthira has found 5 people interested in their products. So Jolanta has added these people as a leads. Ruthira has added these people as a leads. So Ruthira doesn't want to share his contacts or his leads to Ruthira or Jolanta. So you don't want to share your leads to each other. So that is why you would not be able to see each other leads. So when I have logged in as a TK, I can see my open leads. But at the moment, if you log in to this CRM, then you will be able to see the same people, because these data are entered by Microsoft for everybody. But if I want to add new people, so then I can only see it until and unless I don't share it, you would not be able to see it. Now let me show you how you can add a new lead. Okay, now again that lead also only will be added to my open leads. Okay, so if you can see here, new means you want to create a new lead. There is a delete option, means you want to create a you want to delete a lead. Email a link. Okay, this is something different, we will discuss later on. So you want to send an basically, you know, this link, this particular link you want to send to somebody else. So you don't have to copy and paste the link, and you don't have to email. You just, if you just select, say example, Gabriel, okay, and this particular link I want to send to somebody. So what I will do is I will just, now it has changed, see, email link is not there. So we will talk about this. Email link is not important at the moment. So just in general, you need to know email link is nothing but to send this link to somebody. Okay, this link. Okay, run report. So if you want to, if you have created a report and you want to run that report, you want to see that report, you will be able to do that from here. Excel templates. So Excel templates is when you basically you want to create. So based on the data you have, you want to create a Excel template. See here, create Excel template. You want to create Excel table based on the data here. You can create that. Export to Excel, and you want to export it. The data you have here, you want to export it out of the CRM. You want to export it and you want to see it in Excel. So that can be done here. Import data is when you want to import some leads manually in an Excel spreadsheet. You have added some leads manually. You have written, okay, Jahid is a lead, his date of birth, his name, his phone number. He came to our show 2 days before. So all of this information you have added, 20 customers information you have added in Excel spreadsheet, and you want to bring that data into CRM. So you can do that here, import data. Chart pane is nothing but playing around or creating chart. Okay, the data you have here. And there are so many other things, because all of these are ribbon command. This is called ribbon. Okay, this is called ribbon, as like Microsoft Word. This is called ribbon, but there are so many other functions are also available. So if you click this, you will see new system view, customize entity, system views, and so many others. So so we'll talk about this. This is customization and configuration of your leads. We'll talk about this later on. So but now I'm letting you know that this is called ribbon. In ribbon, you can, whatever the functionalities you have, you can use them whenever you need, using some leads. Okay, so now what I will do, now I will create a new leads. Okay, as I said, lead is nothing but a person who has shown interest in your product. So now you can see lead, and it shows new lead. You can add a picture of the new lead as well. And you can see here something here: qualify, develop, propose, and close. These are the process of when a lead, at the moment you are in lead, but when a lead will show some more interest, you will make it qualify. Then you develop in a next few months. The lead will develop, means he will come several times. We will have a meeting with you. We will sign the contract. So that time it will be in develop stage. These are nothing but stages. Qualify initially is the lead, then it's called qualify when a lead becomes an opportunity. Okay, opportunity means there is a like opportunity means something is potential buyer is called opportunity. So then you go to develop stage when you basically work with a lead, that is called, or opportunities, that is called development stage. Then you propose, so the final proposal is going on, so that is the proposal stage. Then close, then when you sign the contract, that is the close stage. So we'll talk about this is what you see here, right? These 4 stages, you can also, everything can be customized here. So whatever you can see here, this is called 4 stages. This is called business process flow. Okay, this is called business process flow. Now business process flow, we will also learn how to create. Okay, now you can see a lead source. So how have you how do you know this person? So if you click here, you will see advertisement, employee reference, external reference, partner, public relations, seminar, trade show, web. How do you know this person, this new lead? How do you know this person? So you can click one of them. Say example, this person has come through a seminar, so I will click seminar here. So lead source will tell you that where from this person has become a lead. And then rating. Now depending, after talking with a customer, you will know that whether this lead is a very big lead, or is a potential customer, or is just a simple or may not buy at all. So you can change. So the different types of rating you can put: hot, warm, cold. If something called, say example, if you click cold, means that you don't think so that this lead is very much interested, but he or she was in your shop, was in your campaign, and showed some interest, but you don't think so that the lead is very much interested. So you can put cold, but still it will be lead. You can put something like warm. So the lead is shown interest, and you can see within the lead that he or she may come back to you again. And the next one is hot. Hot means that you are 100% sure that this customer, this lead has a huge opportunity you can find within this lead, and he or she definitely will come back, okay, again to buy. So there is a huge potential. So that is a hot rating. Now status, initially all the leads will be new, okay, but you can change them. You can change to contacted. Initially they are in new status, but when you have contacted, you can change it to contacted. You can change it to contacted. So this is the way you can make the status changes, so that for anybody, for a second person who will come to this open this CRM, and if they have access to this lead, they will see, okay, this is a hot customer, this is come from seminar, it's a contacted already, so I don't have to contact again. Maybe I will contact after 1 month, okay, and who has logged in this lead, and the owner is who has logged in this lead, means who has added this lead to the CRM, and this is nothing but you, TK. You will, when you log in, your username will be there, okay. I have logged in, so my username is there. So this is this part. Now let's create this lead. So I have to, what I have to do now, one thing you have to remember, when you can see here asterisk, okay, these are nothing but field. You can see here contact. So this is contact information of this lead. Topic is what was the marketing campaign about, when you saw this person, when. So topic, what was the topic that time, okay. So example, I will write it down here. So example, when we had a campaign in January, example I'm talking about, yeah. So example, we had a campaign of product, summer product, okay. So I will say summer product, okay, campaign 2017. We had a campaign, okay, summer product campaign, okay. So that was the topic when this person I've logged in as a lead, okay. So that is the topic. Topic is anything, is tells you that when actually this person you met first time. Name, now name is nothing but is the lead name. So you enter his or her name. So I enter Jahid, okay, surname Khan, but done, right. But here you see here some of them, some of the fields in this form is with asterisk. Asterisk means mandatory. When there is no asterisk, it means it's not mandatory. So you can after, so these are first name and last name. Last name is mandatory, okay. This is called, okay, the type, the first name of the primary contact. When you bring your cursor, it will tell you what does it mean. Type the first name of the primary contact for the lead to make sure the prospect is addressed correctly in sales calls, emails and marketing campaigns. This is not mandatory, but it will help you to add first name to know the person quickly. So that is what it says. So done. So I have added name, but I don't want to add job title. I don't have that much time to add all of these. So you can still save. See, this is the here disk option, this is save option. So I have added two details, and this is mandatory details. So, and there are so many other details. You can see if you go down, scroll down, you will see company. It's not mandatory, just it will tell you that it's not important or also important. Like, it will help you to understand that which company this person, this lead belongs to, okay. So you can add this information as well. Website is, if they have any website, if they have any address, the company address here talking about, right. Then also other details, industry, from which industry he came, annual revenue, okay, how much this person can spend on your shop, okay, or buy. So annual revenue, how much you can have from this person, number of employees they have, okay, uh, etc, etc. Currency, okay. SIC code is not important. This is something to with the companies. We'll talk about this later on. Type, okay, you can change type. Is it a service maintenance based company, or is it an item based company, or is it a work based company, what type of. So these are the so many others information. So also marketing information, source campaign, Okay, source campaign. So when this source campaign was there, because you have done a marketing campaign. Okay, example, if you have done a marketing campaign, then you add those information here. Source campaign, what was the source of the campaign? Okay, you can now, what is this? You can see here, normally in this you can see a drop down: industry, account, broadcasting, brokers, and so many others, right? So you will see, sometime you will see some options are there, sometime you will not see any options. Example, now if you go to description, you don't see any drop down option. You can just add. Okay, you can add something here. So you can add here description. Say example, this person came to my campaign, okay, during January. Okay, something like that. Okay, but here is in this field you can add some data, but there is no option to choose from. Say example, if you go to industry, initially you don't see anything, but if you click, then you will see there is a drop down menu comes. Okay, so the fields are different. Okay, one is, this is called option set. This is called option set field, and this is called description. This is called text field. Okay, so different types of fields are there. When there is an option to choose from, that is called option set field. Annual revenue is a text field because there is no option. You see, you can't see any option here. So this is a text field. Okay, so you will enter, because it shows pound and it's a revenue, so it's a money field. Okay, so you can enter, okay, this person can buy from you 100,000 product. Okay, so it's a money field. Number of employees, this is not a option set field, this is text field. Okay, so you can, number of employees 5. Okay, added. SIC code, okay, this is also text field. So something code related to, say example, you want to what does it mean? SIC code is nothing but something to distinguish. Say example, you want to make a some product specific lead. Say example, you have in your shop, you have football. Okay, you have cricket, you have football, you have cricket ball. Now this person was interested in football, so you can say, okay, football from F, then interested I, and then new lead, okay, customer, FIC. If you want to say, okay, this one interested in cricket ball, so you can put something like code. You can say, okay, so cricket interested and customer, CIC, so something like, so you make your own SIC code. Currency is pound sterling because they were interested in pound sterling. You probably will be able to see other this is again, this is this type of field. When you see here, this is not option set, this does not show you the option, but it show you something like this: look up more records. It is called lookup fields. Okay, this is, you have to remember very well. This something, when you see something like this is called lookup field. When you have something says look up more records, you click look up more records and you will see lookup record. So you will see something like that. So it is called lookup field. Okay, if you see something like this, nothing but only you have to enter something, that is called text field. When you see something drop down menu, that is called option set field. So okay, so we have entered some information. Source campaign, you can see here, I think this is a lookup field. You can see it is written here, look up more records. So it is a lookup field. What does it lookup field does, we will talk about later on when we will talk about fields. So at the moment I'm choosing something from here. Okay, marketing materials, send. Okay, it is a option set field. Do not send these two options. And this is last campaign date, and it is locked. Okay, you cannot enter anything, it is locked. Okay, it will be automatically entered, okay, by the CRM. And also contact method. Now how do you contact this particular person? You want to contact preferred. This is all option set field. Preferred means how you want to prefer. You want to send by, you want to contact, for example, the person who is the new lead, who is that person, is Jahid Khan. So Jahid Khan I mean likes to communicate with email. So you put email, preferred option is email to contact. Then email, allow, okay, do not allow. So example, you don't want to send email, or he doesn't want to send email or receive email. So you can say, okay, allowed or not allowed. You can put a note here. This is nothing but note for yourself. Bulk email, okay, bulk email. So when you want to send so many emails at the same time to this person would allow you or not. So you can write it down, allow, not allow. Phone, okay, do you want I mean, this person will allow you to phone you, uh, to phone, this person will allow you to phone him. It is allowed or not allowed, you can write it down. Okay. Mail, by post, is it allowed or not allowed? So you can change all of them, you can keep a note. Okay. And yeah, just for information, to deal with this lead. Competitors, now you can add some competitors here as well. This is a competitor part. Okay, we'll talk about competitors later on. Say example, you want to add that this person came, Jahid Khan came from a company called ABC company. Okay, website, okay, www.abc.com. From this company he came, right? Address, you see, as soon as you click here, this is address field. This is another one. Okay, this is another type of field. You cannot just simply enter data here. When you click here, the address field will come here, street 1. Okay, so street 1 is something like this, street 2 something like this, street 3 city London, right? So you have added, see, you have added. So everything when is done, all the data are entered. Okay, job title, as I said, these are not mandatory. Only mandatory is this asterisk one. One thing you need to remember, if you have filled only asterisk field, then you can save it. If you entered value for the other fields but not the asterisk fields, then you would not be able to save them. Okay, now let me save it, because I have entered the main two fields, asterisk field, mandatory fields. I can save it. So it is saved. It is saved. Now you see the lead, it was new lead. Now it has got a name, which is Jahid Khan. Okay, now I will take give me 3 minutes break. Yeah, I will come back. Okay, you can take 3 minutes break. Just take a drink a glass of water or something. I'll come back after 3 minutes. Yeah, hello, I'm back. Okay, Julanta, are you there? Okay, so we have saved it. Okay, now. Okay, so you have seen that the new lead has changed to Jahid Khan. Now, after some time, and as I've shown you how to add activities, right? So you can add activities, you can add a phone call, right? You can add a task, any other task. Okay, say example, you can write there. Okay, I have to send an email. Okay, to Jahid Khan. Okay, this is task. Okay, description, enter description. Okay, I have to send an email. So email. Okay, email. Okay, due, when you can add a due. Okay, you have to send an email by 28th. Okay, by 8 a.m. Priority, for example, you can make it a high. Okay, high priority. Owner, you have to send it. Okay, click OK. So everything will be coming here. See, it's already there. You don't have to press anything. It's already here. Okay, activities. I have to send an email to Jahid Khan. Email modified by today, modified by TK today, complete. Okay, so save this activity as completed. So you don't want to modify anymore this part. So you can say okay, complete. So completed by you just now. Okay, actually this one is complete means because this is a task. So complete means when you actually send that email, when you will send that email, then you will only write complete, not now. Yeah. So this is how basically add different activities you related to Jahid Khan. Okay, now one thing you have to explain that if you click lead here, you will see lead and information. Now, what is does it mean lead and information? See here what changes. If I click lead, see what you can see. You can see summary, right? Summary, activities, stakeholders. If I click lead, it stays as it is. Nothing changes. If I click information, you will see what comes here. Now in information, you can see general, topic, first name, last name, business phone, home phone, right, address, okay, description, details, okay, etc., etc., notes and activities. These activities are also here as well. You can add activities from here, and this is called plus sign means add an activity. Okay, you can add activities are here. Note you can add here. Okay, preferences, owner, email, contact methods. So what does it mean, this information and lead? So basically it's the same thing, is the same form, but different part of the form. Say example, it is customizable. Okay, so you can fix it, you can make it information all the time, you can make it lead all the time. Okay, or you can have it both together as it is now. So what does it mean? It means that a form, if at the moment this form has everything, all this information, okay, but not every person of the organization needs to see everything of this form. So make you can customize it in a way that some people will see only information of this lead, some people will see lead part of this lead, okay, some people will be able to see both of this part. So it is the same form, but different parts of the form will be able to seen by different people of the organization. This is this is means only this. Yeah, so different. So when you click information, you will see different part of the lead. Okay, different part. So this is what is called this. Okay. Then there is another interesting part is at the moment. Right. Okay. So we are talking about lead. Okay. Now after some time, you have found that the lead. Okay. You need to make it qualify. Okay. So qualify these stages. Okay. First stage is qualify, then develop, then propose, then close. First stage is qualify means after it says also active for 12 minutes means this lead is active was activated 12 minutes ago and still it is in lead status, but after some time, after 2 days, as time goes by, it will tell you that how many minutes, how many hours, or how many days, or how many months this lead is active. Okay. So you can change it to qualify. Qualify means that qualify for opportunity. So it has a potential to buy something, this person. Okay. So you can click here, qualify. You see what it do, what it will be, what it will change. Now lead has become opportunity. See, it's totally different picture now. So instead of lead, now it is an opportunity. So it has become an opportunity. So summer product campaign. Now what is this? This is the opportunity name. Opportunity name, the topic, summer product topic to summer product campaign 2017. So this topic name has come up here, and the opportunity is related to this product. Okay, so that is why. So you have qualified it. Okay. So next stage, for example, when you are in qualify stage. Okay, so now you can see it is not written active for 12 minutes anymore because you have moved from lead to opportunity. In opportunity there is no something like that. So now you in qualify stage, so you see there are some data you can enter here for your information. Customer need, you can enter some data. These are the text field. Propose solutions, example, customer need. So what customer needs, say example, you can write customer, okay, 12 products, okay, of this campaign. Okay, so you can add this propose solution. Okay, propose solution, how would you provide this service to 12 products? Will deliver it by post, example. Yeah, identify stakeholder. Yeah, so have you identified the stakeholder? Means stakeholder of this opportunity. Okay, who is the main owner? Okay, stakeholder. So if you say yes, just say completed. Identify competitors. Did you identify that is there any competitor against this opportunity? Okay, competitor can be, say example, somebody else, okay, wants to bring this take this customer away from you. So you can write that, okay, identify, have you identified the competitors? No, you can say leave, you can say not completed. Okay, so you just don't take it, but when you have identified competitors, you just click it, it will be completed. So this is done. So these information are part of qualify stage. So when this data you have entered, okay, these are not mandatory, nothing is mandatory, you may not want to add, okay, or if you want to add, it is up to you. So we click next stage. Next stage, it will go to develop stage. Now when it is in develop stage, then you can add some more information. Identify sales team, yes, completed, done. Develop proposal, because it is in development stage, so have you done these things? This is just reminder to yourself. Okay, have you identified the sales team who will do this task? Have you developed the proposal? Yes, I did. Complete internal review, have you reviewed it internally with every other stuff? Done. Present proposal, have you presented the proposal to this opportunity? Yes, done. Okay, when you have done, click next. Now you are in proposal stage. Complete final proposal, have you done it? Done. Presented final proposal, done. Confirm decision date, So example, you will get a decision. You have presented the proposal. Now you are expecting the decision from this opportunity. Now the decision can be none. Decision can be that no, he is not interested anymore. Yeah. So that also can be decision. So that is why there are two types of you see here opportunity. One is close as own and close as lost, because after presenting proposal, okay, this opportunity can say, okay, no, not really, I have found somebody else is providing cheaper this product than you. Okay, so but there should be some date that when the decision will come from the opportunity. So example, 30th of March. Okay, so that is the confirmed decision date. Send thank you, completed. Have you done that? Done. Filed a brief, something to do with the to do with the application process. Okay, so have you done that? This is actually the new field. This is, you see, this is what I'm saying, that when this, it was not there before. So every time when the new version of Dynamics CRM is coming, there always Microsoft is adding something else. Okay, something new, new function, new fields, new modules. Okay, something new, and make it more friendly. So they have added this time file the brief. Okay, something to do with the to basically to explain about the file or the proposals. Okay, presentation again, something like that. So it's completed. When you have done that, so the proposal stage has done, so you go to finish. Okay, now you are in close stage. Okay, so everything is done. Now we're in close stage. Okay, so now you can see completed in 17 minutes, lead to opportunity sales process. So this is called sales process. So from lead, when somebody just dropped into your office or dropped into your campaign, from there to the end of when he or she become your customer, that is called the full sales process. In our case, it is completed in 17 minutes. But in general, it could be even 10 days, it could be even 6 months, it could be even 1 year. Okay, so it is done. When it is done, then you can say, okay, have you owned this customer? Means, has this customer agreed to buy something from you, or he has said, no, I don't want to buy anymore. So you can say, okay, close as own. You click that. Status region is own. How much money he is going to pay, the actual revenue, how much you are going to get from him. Say example 200,000. Okay, close date today. Okay, competitor. Okay, it's a lock. Lock means you cannot enter, it is by default. Okay, description, something you want to add. Okay, it was interesting to win this opportunity. Okay, so you have some added information for yourself and click OK. That's it. So opportunity is owned. You can see here it's now read only. You cannot change anything because this is an own opportunity, and whatever you are supposed to add, everything you have added, only then you will click own, and then it is now it is saved. Okay, it is saved as well as it is read only option, because everything is done. Okay, now this opportunity will become a customer. Okay, so we will move to another part of the sales process. Okay, so let me show you something I have mentioned here. Lead. Okay, lead has three CRM keeps leads in a separate area in order to ensure your main database of accounts and contacts does not get cluttered with people your organization does not know. So basically it can become lead. A lead can become into three things. A lead can become an account. What does it mean, account? These are, all of these are entities. First of all, these are all entities. Lead is an entity in the database. Account is an entity, is a database. Contact is an entity. Opportunity is an entity. Now lead can become another account, lead can become a contact, lead can become an opportunity. Now we have seen what is lead and what is opportunity. Now what is account and contact? Account is nothing but a company, organization, and contact is nothing but a individual. Okay, so this is, so a lead can become an account. Obviously, say example, a person came to your office, it showed interest to buy something, but he came from a office, another organization. So you can make this person as part of this organization, so that is an account. It can be individual person, so it could be just simply a contact, so you can make it a lead. When he has agreed to buy something, you have owned the opportunity, you can make it just a single individual contact. And it also can become an opportunity, so that we have seen here. Now this is what is the sales process, configuring your Dynamics 365 sales process. Initially it is qualify stage. Remember that we have seen in if you go back to, again we can go back to another leads. Okay, we will see something, say example Gabriela, it is still in lead, and you will see in the business process flow that it hasn't become it hasn't become an opportunity yet, so you will see that. It's taking time to load. Oh, my internet connection is disconnected as well. Are you there, guys? কোথায় বাড়ি? এমনি নিচে ঘুরে আসবো ইয়েতে সন্ধ্যাবেলা। আমার তো 6টার সময় আবার আনন্দের সঙ্গে ক্লাস। Yeah, hello Ruthira. My internet was disconnected, so I have connected just now. So you can connect back now. Yeah, hello Ruthira. Can you hear me? Hello. Yeah. So my phone was automatically restarted. So that is why connection was lost. Yeah, because I use my mobile phone's internet. Yeah. So what we are discussing. So yeah. So we can go back to another lead. So yeah, we wanted to show something. Okay. Still looks slow. Okay. So I wanted to open this Gabriela. Come on, open. Uh, this problem is always there because you will be always working with, when you will be working with CRM, it is always online. Like even if it is on server based, but then again you have to connect to server. That sometimes server is also does the same thing, stuck. So there's always problem there. So what we are saying here, that you can see here Gabriela Kanata is still, she is in lead, she is a lead, so she hasn't become opportunity, and that is why it is in it is active for 58 days. Okay, and 14 hours means when I have actually opened the CRM, from that day it is active, which is 58 days. For 2 months I have opened the CRM. So so this is basically how a lead can become to an opportunity, and then when it becomes an opportunity, then you can make it a contact or an account. Okay, now say example quickly. See, now at the moment Gabriela is in lead, right? So here, go back here, you can see in lead, but when it will become opportunity, you will not be able to see her in this lead views. This is called views. Okay, so let me show you. So when let me go back, and I will make quickly, I will not add this information, just quickly change it to opportunity. Simply I will just can do it using this qualify to an opportunity. So it's done, right? So saved it, and because it is in opportunity, now if I haven't closed it, like it is not closed as own or closed as lost, this opportunity, so it is in a still opportunity, but it is not in lead anymore. So if I go back, see, that person is not here anymore because lead has become opportunity, so that is in opportunity list. So if I go from sales to opportunity, so now you will see open opportunity, that person Gabriela, right? So Gabriela, you will be able to see her here, Gabriele, I think this is the spelling, Gabriele. Oh, that because opportunity is searched on based on topic, so that is why I can't see using Gabriela. If I, this is search, okay, this is search, so I could not if I write here, then it will not come up. So let me quickly go back to her that opportunity. So let me close this search. I see all of them, and because this open opportunity are based on topic and their account name is here. Okay, so Gabriela was because, okay, let me see here all opportunities, maybe I will be able to find. So one of them, because you see it is based on the topic, we can go back to opportunity and see the what is the topic was there for Gabriela. Then we can say, okay, this is the one. Okay, because when I searched as Gab, yeah, so it threw these 6 results. So all of them they are related with Gab. So now let me go to, oh, it is not in lead, it is in opportunity. Let's see, open opportunity, my open opportunities. Yes, see, Gabriela contact. Okay, because Gabriela was a contact individual, and yes, and this person of his name is Fourth Coffee. So that is why when I typed here in search, when I typed here Gabriela, so the Fourth Coffee came and follow up with information regarding. So now if I go back to all opportunities and if I search here Gabriela, see, all Fourth Coffee is coming and follow up with information regarding our promotions. So this is all about Gabriela. Okay, so this it is in, so this person now is an opportunity list but not in leads list. Ooh, you can't hear. Uh, oh, This is, oh, connecting to audio. What happened? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me now? Okay. So yeah, so what I was showing you, basically that when a lead, I have made it, say example, let me quickly go back. When Gabriela was in lead, okay, she was in lead. So when, say example, again Tamer Salah, she is in lead. If I open this lead, oh, you can't see screen. Oh, what happened to this? Just one second, just one second. Okay, okay. Uh, Guys, what I will do is we will continue this session anyway next week, because I have another session at 6 o'clock. So I need a bit of gap here. Uh, I will send you until now recording anyway. So you can, what I will send you note as well. Okay, because note is here. Note I will send you. Please try to play around with the note and what follow the video. And obviously, there will be, if there is any question, we will I will explain you in the next session. Okay? Sure, 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 sure. Yep. No, no, mainly it is C sharp, but there are some JavaScript as well. JavaScript is normally used to for a pop-up. Yeah. E Yes, if there is any pop-up, so that is developed in JavaScript. But other than that, everything in C sharp. What apps? What apps you are talking about? You need to choose three things: sales, marketing, and service. You need to choose these three part of the CRM, and you don't have to select any app. CRM. Oh, then you haven't selected anything. No, but you need to select at least one, because they will not allow you to move next stage if you don't select even at least one. Is it? Okay, what you will do, you can show me in the next class. In the beginning of the session, you need to show me. If it is not properly done, we can open a new CRM for you, and we can even what is called, we can install a new one for you. Or another thing we can do as well, because my one, the current one, is already 58 days, so after 2 days it will expire. So I can open a new one, and I can make you as an user, as well as Jolanta. Okay, and then whatever the customization I will do here, you will be able to see, and you will be able to access as well. So we all three will be in the same CRM. Yeah. So what I will do is I will create a new one, and I will add both of you as a user. So I will be as administrator, and you will be. Yeah, I can make you. I have to make you as an administrator as well to play around. So yeah, so I will make this, and I will send an email to you when it is done, and then you can access. I will send you the link as well, and the username and a password. Username and a password you can create on your own. Yeah. Yeah, it says 30 days, but it's actually 60 days. It's actually 60 days. Yeah, and also maybe it says 60 days, but again another 1 month, I think, also free. It takes time to disqualify you or to remove from you. It's actually overall 3 months, I think, almost. Yeah, so 2 3 months is free. It says 30 months, but then they try to contact you by email. They will try to contact you by phone. They will see that maybe you are interested, so they will wait until 3 months, and then they will remove. Suddenly, you will see you have received an email, and they are saying that we have deactivated your CRM. Yeah. So until you receive that email, you know that your CRM is active. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's it for today. Okay, we will see you again on next Sunday. But whatever, I will send you the video. I'll send you the note. Play around with this. Whatever we have seen today. Okay. 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 Bye. Bye, guys.